Imagine a world without tools, machines, or technology. Hard to believe, right? Well, let's rewind to a time when early humans used nothing more than stones to survive. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to explore something fascinating. We're diving into the world of Industry 4.0 and 5.0, but before we get there, let's take a quick journey through time to see how it all began. In the Stone Age, tools made from stone were our first technological leap. These simple tools helped us hunt, build, and even light fires. Over time, we learned to master our environment, moving from the Stone Age to the Iron Age and then to the invention of the wheel. Every new discovery shaped our world, inching us closer to what we now call the Industrial Revolution. The first Industrial Revolution kicked off in the 18th century with steam engines and mechanized production, but that was just the beginning. Fast forward a few centuries and we've gone through not just one, but multiple industrial revolutions. The second industrial revolution introduced electricity and mass production, where assembly lines powered large factories. Then, the third industrial revolution brought us computers and automation, where machines could do what humans once did. Now let's talk about the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, where the lines between the physical and digital worlds are blurring like never before. So what exactly is Industry 4.0? Well, imagine a world where machines are smarter than ever, where they don't just do work but also think and make decisions. Industry 4.0 is all about smart factories, where technologies like AI, the Internet of Things, and big data allow machines to communicate and optimize processes on their own. Think of it like this: in a traditional factory, a human manages the machines. But in a smart factory, the machines manage themselves, collecting and analyzing data in real time. Ever wonder how your smartphone is made so quickly and precisely? That's Industry 4.0 in action. But here's the exciting part. We're not stopping at Industry 4.0. We're moving into the next revolution, Industry 5.0. While Industry 4.0 focuses on automation and efficiency, Industry 5.0 is all about collaboration between humans and machines. Imagine robots that don't replace you, but work with you, enhancing your creativity and helping you achieve more. These are called cobots, collaborative robots, and they're central to Industry 5.0. Imagine creating your own custom-designed product with the help of AI. It's not about mass production anymore, it's about personalization, creativity, and human innovation. Now, you might be wondering what's the real difference between Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. Industry 4.0 is about making machines smarter and processes more efficient. It's about using data and automation to make things faster and cheaper. Industry 5.0, on the other hand, puts humans back in the driver's seat. It's about working together where humans and AI team up to create more personalized, innovative, and meaningful solutions. In simple terms, Industry 4.0 is about efficiency, while Industry 5.0 is about creativity. So why is Industry 5.0 such a game changer? Because it's not just about automation, it's about empowering humans. Industry 5.0 is a world where technology works for us, enhancing our abilities instead of replacing them. Imagine a future where factories aren't just pumping out identical products, but instead tailor-made creations designed with human creativity empowered by advanced technologies. This is the future of manufacturing, a place where sustainability, innovation, and collaboration come together. From the Stone Age to the Fifth Industrial Revolution, we've always found new ways to innovate. And now we stand at the edge of a new frontier, one where humans and machines don't just coexist, but collaborate. So what do you think? Are we ready for a world where humans and machines team up? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content about the exciting future of technology.